just finished breakfast. Now we're heading down to the garage. All right, everybody, it is now time to discuss the game plan. If you guys have not heard recently, there has been some flooding in Texas, where I live. And today, we're going to be investigating all of the flooding that has been happening on the bike. We're going to be looking at the nearby lake, seeing how high the water has risen, looking at all the nearby rivers, seeing how high the water has risen. And I just want to say, I'm praying for all of your families and all of the people that you know that have gone missing. Alright, so today we are going to be venturing out. How dark the sky is. Oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun. So hopefully the wind isn't too bad today, because a storm is coming, like right now. So I might have to make this quick. So today we're going to be checking out all the flooding down here. Hopefully it's still there. Yep, it's still there, and it's bad, ladies and gentlemen. It is bad. But we'll check out this part first too. Whew. This is a sewer drainage system, and it's supposed to be like empty most of the time. Okay, it's gone down a lot. Oh no, it hasn't. All right, but that's like a lake now. It's like a pond. Yeah, it's not good. So this is where I record most of my videos. This is where I get my clips. A lot of the plants down here are dying because they're being so overwatered. Clouds, we haven't seen the sun in 5 days now. I'm not gonna take my bike in there, but like you can see that. That's just the sidewalk. Like that's literally just supposed to be the sidewalk. And it's fully, you know, covered in water. So, if you don't already know, as I said, the flooding is like very bad back here. So we saw a dude kayaking or canoeing right here on the soccer field yesterday. Like it, yeah. See all that? It's like cones. It's bad. People are playing soccer now. But like, yeah, this is a soccer field. Like, that is, it's not looking good. Let's see how high. Like that's how high the water level is. It's right up on these bushes. It's supposed to be like down like probably 8 feet. Now we're gonna check out what's to be the worst part that I know. So we have kayaks in our neighborhood that you can rent, and they're on this float. They're on this float and like the raft, and good thing is it's on a raft, because if it wasn't on a raft it would be underwater, you know? But good thing is it is not underwater. So here, I'll park my bike and we'll walk. Okay, it's not as bad as it was yesterday, but it's still terrible. Absolutely horrible. It's pushed the tide in. So right here, it's supposed to be like open. Like it's supposed to be perfect. Like this is just gravel. I'm walking right here. So that's just supposed to be gravel. Like all this is just gravel. And then you could like walk over here. Like this is where you got to the lake. And then it's a sidewalk going all along here. And then it dips under. So like, that thing is probably like 12 feet tall, and it's like 8 feet underwater, and it dips down. So, look, there's like swans and stuff out here. It is crazy. Oh, I can't. Oh, frick! There's water in my socks. Oh, heck. Nah, I'm not going over there. But, we'll go on top of the dam. There's a dam. Alright, well, that's gonna be it for the video, everybody. Catch y'all all in the next one.
Oh, I think they like me. Yup, in my white tee. Yup, in my white tee.